Okay, hello, welcome back. This is probably going to be the last episode of the tutorial, and if not, we're probably only going to go into the 6th episode showing Alan AI, if that's the case, if we don't get to this video. So essentially, how we're going to start off is we're going to kick off where we left off. So we're just going to create a new class for the clouds. Not clouds, hi. The ID is going to be clouds. Source is going to be image clouds.png, and then we're going to set it to the ID is equal to clouds. And then now, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable, cloud document dot get element by ID clouds, and then we're going to indent that. Okay, so now that we're done with that, we're gonna go into the background where we drew all of our bushes. You don't have to draw any bushes, you don't have to draw any, they're just for aesthetic purposes, so if you guys don't want them, you can delete them. But I'm just gonna leave it in. They might get in the way a little bit for this code, so hopefully it doesn't bother you guys. So to start off, we're going to do ctx.drawImage clouds. However, we're going to create a new variable called cloudx, cloudy, and then we're going to put that up inside of where? Var. Actually, let's put it right before background so we can understand. Cloudx is equal to -60 because we want the clouds to start off the screen. And then we're going to set cloud y is equal to, and then there's this trick in JavaScript where you can create random numbers. So essentially how we're going to do that is we're going to do something called math.floor. And then we're going to do math.random. And then we're going to multiply it by 300. So essentially what this code is going to do is it's going to round a random number between 0 and 300. And then it's going to choose that number, and then it's going to spawn it there, and then it's going to move. So in order to do that, now all we have to do is we do cloud.x minus equal to 2. And then now that we're done with that, oh, we don't do cloud.x, sorry, we do cloudx. And then now what we do is we check to see if cloud x plus 100, which is the width of our cloud, is less than 0, then we want it to reset. So essentially what we're going to do is we're just going to copy this over. So it's going to respawn it over here, and then it's going to choose a completely another random Y position for the cloud. And then we put the cloud in here, and then we copy it, save all, and then this should work. That's really funny looking. I think what I accidentally did. Oh, I don't know what I did wrong. That looks really interesting, to say the least. Okay, I know. Actually, instead of doing this... Okay, I know what I did wrong. So I actually set it to -60. So instead what we want to do was canvas.width plus 60. So instead of spawning on the left side, we're going to spawn on the right side. That's basically what we're going to do. So now it should work. So you can see it drifts off. And then we also have to fix it here. So we have to do canvas.width plus 60. And then we move it over, it moves. Moves it over, chooses another random position. So we can see that that is indeed working. So now, we basically got our whole entire game done. Besides the bushes, where they're kind of glitched out a little bit, but they aren't very that significant. So I think I'm just gonna create a new whole entire episode for all of Allen AI because it's kind of complicated. And then this is just gonna be the cloud episode. So that's the shortest episode so far. But yeah, thank you for listening.